my angels, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you don't know, my name is Tania. Today's video is about creating a bold and colorful makeup. So if you guys want to know how I create this look, please keep watching. Well, right now I'm gonna apply the MAC Studio Fix Fluid Foundation in the shade NC40 all over my face, and now I'm using the makeup sponge to blend the foundation to make the application look really smoother. And now I'm using the eyebrow pencil. This eyebrow pencil is from Maybelline and this is in the shade dark brown. And I love how this pencil make my eyebrows thicker. And now I'm using the concealer. This concealer is from Maybelline. This is the Maybelline Age Divine Concealer in the shade medium. And I'm using the concealer on my eyelids, under my eyes, on my forehead, on the bridge of my nose, and on my chin. And now I'm trying to blend the concealer with the help of the makeup sponge. I'm just blending and blending. And my eyelids got a bit oilier, so I was kind of struggling to blend the concealer so that it doesn't make my skin look cakey. But I did it anyway. And now I'm applying the concealer to enhance my eyebrows. It will make my eyebrows stand out, so this is really important. And I'm using a tiny brush to do it. And it will also help to brighten up the skin near the eyebrows. And now I'm using the banana powder by Makeup Revolution to mattify the skin. I'm especially using the powder where I applied the concealer. And this powder has yellow tone, so it doesn't really make your skin look white. And that is why I love to use this powder. And now I'm contouring my face so that my face looks slimmer. And also I'm using the contour powder on the temples of my head. And now I'm again using the banana powder to make the contouring look sharper. And I'm just trying to intensify the contouring. And now I'm contouring my nose to make it look slimmer. And I'm using a dark brown eyeshadow to do the contouring. Yes guys, you can use eyeshadow or dark brown eyeshadow to do the contouring. Well, right now I'm gonna start the eye makeup. This eye makeup is gonna be bold and colorful. And I'm applying a shade that is close to my skin tone. And I'm blending the shade on my eyelid. And I'm using the eyeshadow blending brush to blend it. And I'm just creating the base for the eye makeup so that it looks vivid. And right now I'm applying the liquid lipstick from NYX. This is in the shade Budapest, and I'm using this as my eyeshadow. And I'm just trying to blend the color. And I'm just trying to intensify it. And I'm adding more product to make it look more intense. and I'm just blending. And now I'm applying a green eyeshadow on my eyelid, and I'm just building up the color and trying to intensify it. The more you blend, the better it gets. So it's really important to blend the eyeshadow well, and I'm just doing it. I'm just blending. I'm just making sure everything looks nice and smooth. And now I'm using MAC Fix Plus to make the glitter eyeshadow look more intense, and I'm applying the green glitter eyeshadow right now. And on the top of it, I'm using a golden glitter eyeshadow, and I'm blending the color to make the color application smoother. Well, right now I'm doing the same on my another eye. I'm applying the liquid lipstick from NYX in the shade Budapest as my eyeshadow, and right now I'm applying it on my crease, and I'm just blending the color. I'm adding more product to make it look more intense. And I'm just blending. Now I'm applying the green eyeshadow on my eyelid, and I'm just building up the color and trying to intensify it. And I'm just blending. Now I'm applying the green glitter eyeshadow, and on the top of it I'm using the golden glitter shade, and I'm trying to intensify the golden glitter shade on both of my eyes. And I'm just blending the color. And now I'm drawing the winged eyeliner. And I'm building up the thin line. And now I'm just thickening the wing up to make it look more sharp and intense. And I'm just trying to make sure everything looks neat and clean. Now I'm applying the kohl pencil on both of my upper and lower waterline. And now I'm applying the green eyeshadow on my lower lash line. and I'm adding more product to make it look dramatic. Well, now I'm applying the mascara to make my lashes longer and thicker. I'm using 2 or 3 coats of the mascara, and this mascara is from Maybelline. This is the Maybelline Lash Sensational Mascara, and this is a really good option at really cheap price. I'm using the mascara on my lower lash line, and I really love how this mascara makes my lashes longer. And right now I'm highlighting the inner corners of my eyes, and I'm using a pinkish shimmery eyeshadow to do that, to highlight the areas. And now I'm highlighting the brow bones, and I'm using a tiny brush to highlight the areas. Highlighting these particular areas really makes your eye makeup dramatic. And I already have put the falsies, and right now I'm applying the blush. This blush is from Revlon in the shade Classic Coral, and this is such an amazing shade. It really complements my skin tone. And now I'm highlighting my cheekbones. This highlighter is from Makeup Revolution, and this is a powder highlighter. I'm also using the highlighter on my nose, on my cupid bow, and a little bit on my chin. Now I'm looking so glowy. And now I'm applying the lipstick from MAC in the shade Ruby You, and also I'm applying another lipstick from NYX in the shade Budapest. So this is the final look. If you guys enjoyed my video, make sure you hit the subscribe button, like and share this video as much as you can. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye. Take care.